So hey there everyone, this is going to be a quick video. You might see this video on YouTube, or you might be watching this video on one of my new classes over at Teachable. However you're seeing it, I'm glad to have you here. So we're going to keep this one short. This is part of a longer series of videos in our new Teachable class, which will be getting announced in the very near future in 2022. As I've been going through some of the content, we've been reviewing some of the projects that we've worked on over the years and how you can make money with your drone. That's the main theme of the class. Well, while working through one of my favorite projects, which has to be Sky Ranch here in Prescott, um, it struck me and it reminded me that I want to tell a story about the value of drone images on construction sites. So coming up on a year ago, this client who's doing a new ranch, expanding a horse ranch, ran into some issues. One of their contractors had walked off the job and they were dealing with all the conduit in ground. As you can see on this Orthomosaic, this is a sizable property. We've only got about 20 acres here. And if we zoom in here, you'll start seeing some trenches in here. And actually, let's zoom this back really quick. So we'll actually see where digging has gone on to put in conduits, both electrical conduits or water conduits. And when the contractor walked off the job, they did not leave any as-built or anything, but they did in fact close up all these trenches with these conduits in them. So the property owner, with everything being closed up and they were getting ready for some kind of inspection, they went to test the feeds out, both electric and water. I can't remember which one was not connected, but bottom line, things were not working. Either the power wasn't getting out there or the water wasn't getting out there. And the customer was looking at having to have another backhoe come in and dig in certain areas. They had a general idea of where everything was, but then the client remembered, hey, I got some orthomosaics from AZ Drone. So he went ahead and printed out some of the orthos in the area that they thought the connections might not be connected. So sure enough, they dug in based on what they were seeing from this orthomosaic, and they didn't have to dig around all over the property. And the client said that we literally saved them thousands of dollars. He wasn't joking around about it at all. He was extremely serious in his delivery on it. And, he said, I got to tell you guys, he sees so much value in the work that we've done for him. And your clients might see the same thing as well. When we document locations for them, we give them powerful tools to be able to look back at the construction, at what's gone on in the exterior buildings, at what's gone on in the interiors with our 360 tours in newly built homes or homes that aren't finished, where we can see all of the conduits in those homes as well. So in the end, the work that we were doing for this particular client saved him thousands of dollars, saved him labor time, and allowed them to move ahead with their project. So I thought you might find that one interesting. So not only are we as drone pilots looking to expand our businesses and make a good living at doing drone work, we're doing great work for our clients as well. So this is a great selling point. So when you're thinking about, how do I make money with my drone? Here's the perfect example. Conduits being covered up and buried, but being incomplete, and helping the construction folks or the homeowners, whoever it is that's hired you in, helping them to be able to find things quickly and easily, because we've been doing these regular progression flights for them for months, showing the changes in their properties. Well, that's it. Like I said, this was going to be a really short one. I hope that this one was informative for you. You can pop by classes.azdrone.net to see some of our courses that are up. The one that I'm working on right now that you're seeing part of is not up yet, but we should be launching that before October 1st of 2022. So be sure to stay tuned into the channel if you want to see content like this, and if you're interested in seeing the other courses that we do offer online. All right, everyone, have a great start to the week. We'll see you again real soon.